discover the best websites to learn Axure. Axure is a powerful prototyping tool that helps designers create interactive and dynamic prototypes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, continuous learning is crucial for mastering Axure and staying up to date with the latest features and techniques. We will explore some of the best websites that provide valuable resources and tutorials to enhance your Axure skills. Axure RP Official Documentation. The Axure RP official website offers comprehensive documentation that covers various aspects of using the software. The documentation includes detailed guides, tutorials, and examples that can help you understand the various features and functionalities of Axure. It serves as a great starting point for beginners and a valuable reference for experienced users. Axure RP Forum. The Axure RP Forum is an active online community where users can ask questions, share knowledge, and discuss best practices. It's a great platform to connect with other Axure users, learn from their experiences, and seek guidance for specific design challenges. The forum also provides user-generated tutorials, example projects, and useful tips and tricks. AxureBoutique.com. AxureBoutique.com is a website dedicated to providing Axure resources, including tutorials, templates, and widgets. The website offers step-by-step tutorials covering a range of topics, from basic prototyping design techniques to advanced interactions and animations. Axure Boutique also provides downloadable templates and pre-built widgets that can save you time and effort in the design process. LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning, formerly known as lynda.com, is a popular online learning platform that offers a wide range of video courses, including Axure. The platform provides high-quality tutorials taught by industry experts, allowing you to learn at your own pace. If you prefer a structured learning experience that includes in-depth courses and practice exercises, LinkedIn Learning is a great choice. YouTube channels. YouTube is a treasure trove of Axure tutorials and demonstrations. Several channels specialize in providing Axure tutorials, offering a wealth of free video content. Some notable channels include Axure RP Tutorials, Axure Boutique, and Design Prototyping. These channels cover various topics ranging from beginner-level introductions to advanced techniques, making it easy to find tutorials that suit your skill level. Medium. Medium is a popular platform for designers and user experience professionals to share knowledge and insights. Many UX experts and Axure enthusiasts publish articles and tutorials on Axure prototyping design on Medium. Searching for Axure tutorials or Axure tips on Medium can lead you to valuable articles that provide practical guidance and inspiration. Learning Axure is an ongoing process, and these websites can serve as valuable resources to enhance your skills and knowledge. From official documentation to online communities and video tutorials, there are plenty of platforms to support your learning journey. Remember to practice regularly, explore different features, and apply your learning to real projects. With focus and continuous learning, you can become proficient in Axure and create impressive prototypes that bring your design concepts to life. Happy Axure learning!